For his yearly vacation, Nathan plans to spend $315 on airplane tickets, $275 on food, $275 on accommodations, and $125 on miscellaneous expenses. Excuse me. How much should Nathan budget monthly for this vacation? In other words, he knows that he needs to save up so he can go on his vacation, but he needs to know how much he needs to save each month. So we're going to consider this an annual expense that he's saving for each month. So the first thing I need to know is how much does he need to save in total? So I'm going to find the total cost of his vacation. Total cost of vacation. And I'm going to do that by adding up all the costs they gave us. $315 for his airplane tickets, $275 for his food, $275 for his accommodations or his hotel room, and $125 for souvenirs, sunglasses, sunscreen, whatever may come up. So I'm going to add all that up in my calculator. So I put in 315 plus 275 plus 275 plus 125, and I get $990. Now, he wants to know how much he's going to budget monthly. So, how many months are there in a year? Yeah, exactly. There's 12 months in a year. So we're going to take the number he needs to save, and we're going to divide that by 12. And that'll tell us how much he needs to save each month. So I still have $990 in my calculator. I'm going to hit divided by 12, and I find that he needs to save $82.50 each month to be able to go on the vacation he has planned. Hope that helps.